The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. If you're new to mining, it can be very intimidating. So today I wanted to show you a starter kit, a full combo that can get you into crypto mining very easily. I'm going to show you how to do this start to finish. If you want deeper dives into each of the things on this video, I did a full testing video and setup video on the Goldshell Byte with a Dogecoin and an Aleo card. I also just recently did a Goldshell wallet full setup video. So I encourage you to watch those both. And then I also did a mining video where I show you how to set up and mine with your Dogecoin miner from Goldshell to DXpool. So those are 3 videos that I'd recommend watching for deeper information. This video is going to be a quick and easy setup video, really geared towards beginners. And this setup is perfect for beginners because it's low wattage, it's quiet, and it's simple. So let's go ahead and get in the video. But first, if you don't mind, hit the like button if you like the kind of content that I'm showing you. Subscribe to the channel for future content just like this. And let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so here is the starter kit that I'm talking about. Here's the Goldshell Byte. Then we got the charger for it. It's a USB-C charger. This one's designed to go with the Byte. Then you have the Aleo card, and then DG card is the Dogecoin card. So you guys can decide and mix and match which cards you want to run in this. I'm going to run the DG card for Dogecoin and the Aleo card. You could get 2 Dogecoin cards, you can get 2 Aleo cards, and you can also get a very good discount. I'll show on the screen my discount codes. If you're looking to get the Dogecoin wallet, which I've already unboxed and done a video on, that you can get $5 off. If you get 2 AE cards, you can get $50 off. You can get $20 off. Just check out the discount codes on the screen, and I'll leave them in the description of the video. And that way you can decide which setup you want to go with. Okay, all that being said, we're going to do a very fast unboxing with the power of editing. Boom, there it is. So we've got the Dogecoin card, the Aleo card, the Goldshell Byte itself, the charger, and it comes with different plugs depending on what region of the world you're in. I'm going to be using this one because I'm in the United States of America. So let's go ahead and get this thing put together. It's super easy. It reminds me of an old Nintendo. You're just going to pop the cartridge right in and push it in. And once you see that flip up, it's secured. So let's pop in both the Dogecoin card and the Aleo card. Boom. Okay, popped them both in. Then we're just going to power it up with whichever adapter you need for your country. So like I said, I'm in the US, so I'm going to use this outlet. So you can see right there, there's 2 metal kind of prongs, and then this is the receiving end. So you just slide it right on. And say you want to switch it over, say you're going to run it on a different style plug, you move somewhere. You can hit this little button up here, and it slides right off. So you can interchange them depending on what your needs are. We're going to plug it in right here where it says Type C. All right, and then we're going to plug it into the wall outlet and we'll get it fired up. Okay, we plugged it in and it is ramping up. You can see the fan spinning. Well, at least I can. I don't know if you guys can in the video, but it's super quiet. The air conditioner in my house is running louder than this thing. So it really is cool. You can just run it right on your desktop and you won't even notice it. So let's go ahead and hop into the computer. We'll show you how to set up the Goldshell Byte to mine Aleo and Dogecoin, and we will show you how to mine Dogecoin straight to your Goldshell wallet. Right now, they don't have support for Aleo on the Goldshell wallet, but I'm going to show you another option that you can download on your mobile phone. Okay, so let's get logged into this thing. The Goldshell Byte is casting out its own Wi-Fi signal. So we need to connect to that signal with our computer. Log into the Goldshell Byte's Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you want to get information on the IP address. You're going to punch that into your internet browser. Once you punch 192.168.77.1 or whatever shows up for your byte, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. Mine is in Chinese right now. Let's go ahead and switch over to English. There we go. So now this is what the Goldshell Byte dashboard looks like. So we need to unlock the miner, hit unlock. Admin defaults in as the username. The password is 123456789. Hit unlock. Okay, so you've got your Goldshell Byte unlocked, so we can make some changes. Let's go to system, and then we're going to change the password. So type in the current password, 123456789, and then punch in new password and confirm password, then hit change. Now, I also want to update the firmware because I've heard that they fixed some bugs. I'll show you where to download that. Just go to goldshell.com, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and then you will see firmware update right here under services. So click on firmware update, and then it will take you to Goldshell's GitHub. And you can see right here, it says that the Byte firmware was updated 2 days ago. So we're going to scroll to the bottom so we can find the download for the Byte, and then click here where it says firmware, and then it will download the firmware to your computer. And then we're going to go right back to where we were in the Goldshell dashboard, and we're going to click right here where it says update firmware version. Then you need to go to wherever you downloaded the firmware. Click into the firmware, hit open. It'll load the firmware in, but we need to hit update. And it says it takes 5 minutes to upgrade the miner, so please do not shut off the miner during the upgrade process. Click update. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so we're back in the miner dashboard, and it shows the updated firmware version right here. So we're good to go with the firmware. We've changed our password. Next, let's set up pools. I've shown this in other videos. I'm going to be using DXpool. It's very easy to use DXpool with Goldshells because they already have some of the stratums loaded up. Just go to dxpool.com, set up your account, and then when you're ready to mine, just go to Quick Start, and it will open this little tab up right here, and it'll show you your stratum that you need to copy, but it'll automatically copy in Goldshell. That's what's really nice and easy. Your worker name is the account name that you set up when you were setting up your account. So we can copy that. Let's go back to the miner dashboard. I'm going to set up my Litecoin pool settings here to start with. Just click add. And then, like I said, they make it easy. Just click DXpool. It'll load the stratum in. I'm going to put my miner name. And then I'm going to put dot lowercase letters GGM's byte. And that way I can identify different miners that I have on this pool. So I know for sure this is my Goldshell Byte. Password, I'm going to leave blank. Hit apply. And then it's the same process for the Aleo card. So you're going to click on Aleo, you're going to click add. You're going to go through the same process I just showed you, and your stratum and miner and worker name and all that will show up right here. So the next thing we need to do is set up our Wi-Fi on this Goldshell Byte. Right now, we're still logged into the Goldshell Byte's Wi-Fi, and we need to set this Goldshell Byte up so it can receive Wi-Fi from our home network. So we're going to go back to System, and then we're going to go to Wi-Fi settings, and then we're going to click on whatever our network is, and we're going to hit connect, and then we're going to punch in our network information to log into our own Wi-Fi. So I'm not sure if this was popping up on the screen for you guys before, but when I updated the firmware, I believe this popped up and it said, set up your miner on Goldshell Hub for smoother control. So now that I've got the firmware updated, I've got the Wi-Fi set up, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to Goldshell Hub to finish setting this up and just check on it, and we'll see what both look like. And it sounds like it's supposed to be smoother. So let's go ahead and check out Goldshell Hub. Okay, so right off the bat, I logged into Goldshell Hub, and it's showing both my DG card and my AE card, and it's showing the hash rate currently and the temperatures, the fan speeds, uptime, and how much I've mined so far. So that's pretty cool. Not much to see yet on the home page of the dashboard because the miner has just been switched over and ramped up. So I do want to set up some alerts. So if this miner goes down, I will get a notification. So let's do that. Click right here where it says settings, and then it will take you to where you can set up your alerts. I'm going to turn all of mine on. I want to know when the miner goes offline. I want to know when it comes back online. Like say you're away from your house and like the power goes out, you get an alert that it went offline. It would be nice to know if the miner came back online. I want to know if there's a hardware fault. I want to know if the hash rate drops. So I'm going to turn all of them on, and then we'll get notifications if something goes wrong. Let's explore a little bit more in the Goldshell Hub. So I went to miner, and then I clicked on the byte that I currently have hooked up. It's just called Byte 0003, and I'm going to rename it. I want to just call it like GGM's byte, you know, just like so I know that's mine, and I might add more miners to this app, and I just want to make sure I'm keeping track of which miner's doing what. So hit confirm. Okay, now it says GGM's byte. So I also want to check out some more detail. Like this is a lot of detail here, which is great. But if you click here, It'll change the way things look. It'll show you like a web GUI and like the hash rate chart and all that. I like that. This is for the Dogecoin card. And then I can go over to the Aleo card and I can see the information there. So I like what you can do with Goldshell Hub, and it's a nice clean like GUI. So let's check out the pools a little bit more. I want to go back into DXpool because I don't want to mine just to DXpool and leave the crypto on the pool. I want to mine to DXpool and then have it, once it accumulates to a certain point, I want it to cash out to my wallets automatically. I'd never like to leave crypto on a pool if I can help it. If you're looking to set up a Goldshell wallet and purchase one, please check out the Goldshell wallet setup, testing, and review video that I did. That is about 13 minutes long. It goes into full detail on how to do everything to get your Goldshell wallet set up. Today, I'm just going to show you how to mine to it. First thing we need to do is click into the Goldshell wallet app that we downloaded onto our cell phone when we set up our Goldshell wallet. Once you're logged in, click where it says receive right here. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to Dogecoin. Then we're going to click into Dogecoin and we're going to copy our receive address. And then click where it says copy, and it will copy your receiving address. Then we're going to go back into DXpool and we're going to click assets. And then we're going to change our auto withdraw address. We're going to punch in the address that you just copied and then email verification code. You're going to hit get code once you punch in the address. And it says verification code has been sent. So we're going to go to our email. We're going to get that verification code, and then we're going to punch it back in here where it says email verification code. Then we'll hit submit, and then your address will have like paused for 24 hours for safety. So to ensure the safety of your funds, once you have changed your auto withdrawal address, withdrawal will be paused for 24 hours. So it will take 24 hours for any of your funds to be withdrawn from the pool to your wallet, just so you know. Okay, so now you've got Dogecoin mining straight to your wallet. Then you can set up Litecoin the same way. You just need to copy that address out of your Goldshell wallet like I showed you. The other cool thing is about DXpool is that you're going to be collecting more than just Litecoin, Dogecoin. You're going to be collecting Bell's coin. This is merge mining with this Goldshell Byte, by the way. So if you're new to crypto and this is a beginner's guide, you're going to be mining more than just Dogecoin, Litecoin. You're going to be getting Bells. You're going to get AAC. You're going to get Dingo. You're going to get Pepe, Junk Coin, Lucky Coin, Dog M. DXpool supports merge mining. So merge mining is a way to mine all of these other coins that are using the script algorithm, and it doesn't cost you any extra power. So it's like, why wouldn't you? Now, I don't have wallets for all these smaller coins, okay? And you can look through Goldshell wallet, you can look through multiple different wallets and see if you'd rather hold them in cold storage. You probably could find some options, but honestly, I hate to say it, I usually try not to leave anything on exchanges because I've been burned before. Tons of people have been burned before by leaving coins on exchanges. If they get hacked or they go down, there's issues with transferring them out. I don't like to leave them on exchanges, but sometimes when you're collecting like 9 different coins, I don't want to have to set up wallets for every single one. You have the option to withdraw these to other exchanges and things like that where you can sell them. That's kind of what I plan to do. I want to mine at least Litecoin and Dogecoin to a cold storage wallet because I feel like I can hodl those and have them for long term. But smaller coins like this, I'm sorry, I'm probably going to sell. Actually, I might hodl my Bells, but that's besides the point. Other coins that are smaller, I might auto convert, but it's up to you. I don't want to give you guys any like financial advice or anything. You guys do what you want with your coins. The other thing I promised you is I would show you a decent option for Aleo wallet. You can leave this on an exchange. You can withdraw the funds to a like a trading platform or whatever exchange you want to use if you just want to sell your Aleo. But if you don't want to hodl it on an exchange, you'd rather have it go in your wallet. I'll just show you on the screen real quick the wallet that I am using currently on my mobile wallet, since there is no Goldshell wallet option for Aleo yet. So this wallet is it's called Leo wallet, and it can be downloaded in the Google Play Store, and I believe it's available in the Apple Store as well. So it's set up just like any other wallet. just download it and follow the prompts. You'll get like a seed phrase and everything, like a standard wallet. And then that is it. You just set it up to auto withdrawal like I showed you on the Dogecoin side. And then that is it. Your miner is set up, your wallet's set up, your exchange is set up, and you just let it stack. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The only other thing you should probably do is make sure you turn your 5 gigahertz band back on your router. Remember, we shut that off earlier so we could log into the Goldshell Byte. So I want to say thank you to Goldshell for providing all the equipment you saw on this. They provided me with the Byte, the cards, the charger, the Goldshell wallet, everything. So I do appreciate that, Goldshell. And then also don't forget to use the discount codes that I showed on the screen, and they're in the description of the video, and use the links in the description of the video. It really helps out my channel. I do get a small commission if you use them. So if you liked the video, if it was helpful to you, I really appreciate it if you use it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps more than you guys know. Do all those things, especially if you found the video helpful. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.